Hi everybody, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase w. I've written my name at the top, Jeremy. Now, W is a plain line letter, plain line slide letter. So it starts at the plain line and slides. So start at the plain line, slide down to the grass line, slide up to the plain line, and slide down to the grass line. And then finally up to the plain line again. Okay, let's practice with these W's over here. Slide down, slide up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Remember, start of the plain line, down to the grass line, up to the plain line, down grass line, up to the plain line again. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Just like that. Okay, let me switch to blue. Start of the plain line, down to the grass line, up to the plain line, down to the grass line, up to the plain line. Let's say I do it wrong and accidentally slide down to the worm line, up to the plain line. Do you see how it looks strange if we go past the grass line? Let me fix that. Let's erase it and try again. Slide down from the plain line to the grass line. Stop there, slide up, slide down, slide up. Okay, plain line, slide down to the grass, slide up to the plain, slide down to the grass again, and slide up to the plain. That's how you make a lowercase w. Thank you for practicing.